Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into how we can run the collection. So collection is set of the test cases which we have created. So all the requests which is listed here, we are grouping them and then we are running them as a collection. Okay, so in a traditional automation terms, it is like a test suite. Okay, so if I select the RESTful booker here, okay, you will see this option where you have this three dot and this mode, click on run. Okay, run will show all the requests which you have created. Okay, you can check and check the request. Okay, uh, and you can specify the number of iterations. So suppose I want to run one time, two time, three time, okay, that I can specify. And then I can specify a delay between these two requests. Okay, suppose I mean API is hit. Okay, then what should be the delay between the second API? Okay, that I can specify. Sometimes it takes time, okay, so to get the response, so we have to make use of this delay. Okay, for now I'm keeping this as 0. If we see that any particular request is not able to respond within time, then we will be making use of this. Then you can make use of data, any data which you are calling from any CSV file also. So that data you can specify here. Okay, and you also have this option of saving the response. Whatever response you get, you can save this. Okay, and then you can keep variable values. Okay, run collection without using stored keys. Okay, there is this option as well. And then the last one is save cookies after collection run. Okay, so I am not going to make changes in any of these default settings. Okay, I will just try to run this and see what results we are getting. Okay, so let's click on run RESTful booker. Okay, so all the tests are executed. Okay, so if you see on top, you see this all test. Okay, then you have pass test. So there are 14 tests which are passed, and then failed test. There are 3 tests which are failed. Okay, so this is going to give you an overall picture of your test execution. Okay, and if suppose if I hover on this or click on this, it is going to show me all the information related to that particular request, which is request URL, header, body. Okay, and then the response header, and then the body. Okay, and it is going to show me what is the status code we have received, in how many milliseconds this response was received. Okay, what number of bytes were transferred and so. Okay, and if suppose I want to see past results, then this is what we see here. Okay, and if suppose and notice that the number of tests which you have added in your request, all those will be listed out here. So in each of these requests, I just validated that it is giving me 200 response. And in this particular post request, if you remember from our previous video, we had several type of tests. So all these are listed here. Okay, and here are the failed tests. Okay, you will see what are the number of tests failed. Okay, what was the reason? If it was failed due to any assertion, so it is showing us. So let's see if suppose what is the reason behind this. So the booking ID with the path parameter which we used, we were expecting 200, but we got 404. Okay, not found. Okay, so maybe the booking ID is not available, that's why. Okay, and then we were updating any booking. So that time also assertion failed. It is giving us 200. Okay. Sorry, we were expecting 200, but we got 405. Okay, method not allowed. So, and then the last one is the patch one. Here also we got 405. Okay, so this is something to do with the booking ID one in all three of these. So sometimes when you're running together, because since it's a demo website, okay, so that this type of results you may get. Okay, but in real time you will not see this type of issues. Okay, then we have view summary. Okay, so each test which failed, you can see here. Okay, and then run again option is there. You can again run all these tests. Okay, then you can click on new. Okay, suppose I want to run a new test. Okay, one more time, run this. Okay, and then I have one export result option. So here, if you click, it is going to save a JSON test result. So let me save this on desktop. Okay, and open this using VS Code. Let's see. Okay, so you see the name of the collection, the timestamp at what times this collection was or the test was triggered. Okay, the collection ID, the folder ID, the environment ID. Okay, number of tests it passed, number of tests it failed. Okay, and the results. Okay, of each of these requests which we have. Okay, this is very helpful. You can send this to anyone for reviewing the test. Okay, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.